guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, as you see from the title, is going to be 2 unboxing of my subscriptions that I have. One is a statement box. This is a box that you get charged every month. They charge you $16 and they send you a lovely pair of statement earrings. I've only had this subscription for 2 months, so this is my second pair of earrings. And then the next unboxing is my Fashom subscription. They won't charge you every month. You have the option to go online and request that a box be sent out to you. The season changed and I decided I wanted to get something for the upcoming fall season. I did go in my closet and clean out a bunch of stuff that I had. I had, things that I hadn't worn in years. I had items that I, they didn't fit anymore. So we're gonna jump into the video, but before we do that, I want you to hit that subscribe button, and once you hit the subscribe button, please hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my uploads. We're gonna start with my statement box subscription, and they sent a pair of awesome earrings, guys. I will be leaving my referral links down below if you guys decide if you want to try either one of these subscription boxes out. This month last month for September, I got these lovely pair of earrings. And my first pair of earrings, they were broken, guys. I don't know what happened, but the statement box, they were so nice. They sent me another pair and I was so excited about receiving them. I'm gonna try a pair of them on because when I saw them online, I fell in love with these earrings. I was like, oh my goodness, these are so pretty. So I was really, 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 really excited about getting these pair of earrings. So I'm gonna put I'm gonna put both of them on and see how they look on, because they were cute online and they were cute in the box. So I want to see how nice they look on. So I'm gonna take my hoops. I had some hoops on, so I'm gonna take those out and put these on. So you guys tell me how they look. I have a mirror behind the camera so I can kind of see myself. And I really do like them. They are so cute. I'm gonna get a little close so you guys can really see how cute they are. Really, really pretty. So like I said, I was very excited about receiving those. So the next unboxing is my Fashom subscription. And I haven't even opened the box up yet, even though I know what I'm going to get. With this subscription service, they choose, I don't know how many, I can't remember. Choose about 7 items for you to pick from. You get to choose which items you want to be sent out to you. So I already know what's inside. So I am very, very, very excited. So right on top, you get your little envelope that has all your information, like your invoice and stuff like that. You get a paid package envelope here so you can send items back that you don't want. So I'm just gonna look inside of my envelope here, and it has your invoice, and then it just has a little card here, and it says, believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable. Hashtag better as I am. So like I said, it's just some additional information here on the card. And then we have our invoice. And on the invoice, it tells you how much each item is. And it also gives you a subtotal. So the subtotal for this order is $242. If you buy all 5 items, you get a discount of 30%. But if you get 3 to 4 items, you get a discount of 25%. So that's what I really like about Fashom. Like if you decide you don't want all 5 items, but maybe you want 3 or 4 items, they still give you that 25% discount. So they still give you that 25% discount. But like I said, if you get all 5 items, you get 30%. So the adjustment is they take off $72.60. My total come to $169.40, and that is not bad because in one of these, one of the items in this packaging, you get a jacket. So there is also a note. It says, "Hello, thanks for styling with Fashom again. Based on your preferences and styling requests, I have cultivated this comfortable yet chic selection for you that I think could include some fun additions to your upcoming fall wardrobe with a touch of trendy animal print and hint of blush tones." Ooh, 2 of my favorite things. Guys, I love some animal prints. Animal prints never go out of style. Blush tones also do not go out of style, and blush tones is a tone that can be paired with a lot of things. It can be very neutral. You can, up it up and pair it with animal print. So 2 of my favorite things. Please note that some of the sizes do run a bit differently, so we encourage you to give everything a try. Hope you enjoy them and are having an amazing start to pumpkin spice latte season. Kristen. Yes, Kristen, I am having an awesome start to the fall season. Really, really loving the fall so far. So we're gonna jump into the video, and I'm actually gonna sit this right here so I have access to it, so I can tell you guys each piece and how much it costs. So here's my bundle. Kind of thick, girls. This thing is kind of thick. Woo! I get excited about subscriptions like this. To me, it's like someone sent me a gift and I get to choose what I want, even though I'm paying. I still get to choose what I want, and what I don't want, I can send back. I can try it on at home. And for this video, I'm not going to make you guys wait to the end. I'm actually going to insert a picture on the side to let you see how each item look on me. So we're going to jump right in, and I'm going to start piece right here. This is a size medium. It is a wine color. Really, really cute. I noticed in a lot of my videos, guys, I always say cute. I can't help it. Everything is cute to me. But I'm going to try to use something else to describe how I feel about an item. So we're going to start with this top here. To me, this is a nice casual top. It is something you would throw on if you're going to the movies, or you're going to the pumpkin patch, or, just a nice casual top that you can throw on. But if you wanted to amp it up a little bit, throw on a nice statement necklace. This is really nice. And it would be great for the fall season. I love the, the nice burgundy color of it. This top here is the Lamines. Y'all know I can never pronounce what some of these things saying, so I'm not even gonna try to pronounce what that word is or those word is. It is a long sleeve top. It is $42. So kind of pricey to me because it is a basic top, but I do love the detailing in the front there. I hope you guys can see that. Has kind of like the knot detailing. You probably could see it better once I try it on. And the next top is the animal print. And animal print is always in, no matter what season it is, animal print is always in. So this is a cardigan, and it is the animal print cardigan, and it is $46. So this is really nice. I love the back detailing. It scoops in the back. It has an open front. And I do love the top collar part to it. And these are how the sleeves look. And this is also in a size medium. So as you notice, they sent me mediums. I can still wear some larges because I'm in between sizes, but this time I'm glad they sent me some mediums. And ooh, they sent me some jeans. Ooh, just black jeans. And you know what? Before I even try these on, I know I'm gonna like them. They look nice. I love this deep plum color and the detailing on the bottom. Hope you guys can see that. Really nice. Very sexy. These jeans seem sexy to me, guys. These are some sexy jeans. These are the Hem Destruction skinny pants. They say pants, but they look like jeans to me. And these are $76. Why everything you love gotta be really, really expensive? Oh my goodness, I like these. These are so sexy. Oh. And then, you know, when I saw this online, I was like, girl, do not request this. But you know what? I said, I'm going to go out on a limb and I'm going to request it. You know, embroidery always throws me off. But I was going to give it a try. This is like a little jacket. And I don't know, if it wasn't for this material, it would be cute. And it's only $35. Yep. It's only $35. So, you know, you're going to see how it looks on the side on me. But I don't know. But I did want to give it a try. So the next item is this sweater here. And the cost of this sweater is $43. It is the Cozy Stripe sweater. Really nice. It is very thick. Really soft. I can see me pairing these with some nice cream jeans or even with the burgundy pants. I think that still would go pretty nice. I think that will go together really nice also. And I really like this. It's nice. And it is a size medium and it's at a really good price point. Guys, that was the end of the video. I tried everything on for you. I hope you enjoyed these type of videos. If you do, give it a thumbs up. I haven't decided what I want to keep or what I want to send back. Give me your opinion down below as always and tell me what you think look nice on me or what I should keep. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, please subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube family. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.